Hello, I'm Garrett Swindell, and I'm a product engineer here at Blackbox. I am back with you today to talk about applications for video compression and its impact on your AV system. If you haven't seen our first video on why videos need compression and how this process works, check out this video at the link in the description. Now that we have discussed some of the details of video compression on KVM, let's talk about AV. When you have 4K video or a real-time experience, you need to select a high-performance AV over IP system with lossless compression. Systems like our MCX consume 10 gigabits per second of bandwidth, but have very little to almost no latency, and it is pixel perfect. AV extension solutions always prioritize video to ensure the best quality video and performance at all times. This high-performance AV is great for healthcare applications. For example, if you were performing laparoscopic surgery and you need your monitor to show exactly what the camera is showing in real time without latency as you move your tool around, this type of compression is necessary. So how can you tell which of the compression schemes or AV systems is right for you? Well, it is similar to KVM. First, determine how important image quality is to your needs. Do you need lossless or lossy compression? Then, determine, will a user notice latency? Similar to our example in the first video, when streaming content, users are often not impacted by latency, so you have some tolerance. But in our medical application, you need little to no latency because it requires real-time viewing. This is also the case in esports applications. When gamers are performing live on stage, the audience wants to see what's happening in real time. This means that small latencies can influence a live experience of a match or a competition. But when you are sharing content across the campus information kiosk or using AV for wayfinding, some latency is tolerated because it will not be noticed by users if changes are not immediate. Lastly, if you aren't sure what technology offers the best compression scheme for your application, or you need additional help in understanding how it will impact your workflow or your systems or overall operations, contact one of our experts. They're always here to help. Once again, I'm Garrett Swindell, and thank you for taking the time to learn about these different applications and the impact of video compression on remote access, broadcast, healthcare, control rooms, and more. If you want to continue learning about the video compression, download our guide at blackbox.com/video compression or reach out to us via direct message. Thank you and see you next time.